Hello, my name is Tyler Cassidy. This is my page 1 Made Up Mama, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on eyebrows. I know a lot of people feel new to it and are a little intimidated, and it's super easy. I actually learned just from watching YouTube videos myself, and I don't even go as in depth as some of these other people do, but I wanted to show you my tricks, at least with a pencil, so that you can use them also, and hopefully you'll get the same look. So to get right into it, the pencil that I use is Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know, Anastasia, however you want to say it. Beverly Hills. I like the color soft brown, and you'll see that there's two different pencils when you go. I like to get the angled pencil. I've actually gotten the pointy one before, and honestly, it broke. Like every time I try to use it, I don't know if I just pressed too hard or what, but it was very frustrating. And I've also had really bad luck with the spools. They always break for me too. So I've been very gentle with this one, and I advise you to do the same. Be gentle with your spools, guys. But yeah, with that being said, here we go. So the first thing I do is I brush my hairs up. Look all ferocious like. And then, then I take the pencil portion, and what I do is I follow the line of my eyebrow on the bottom, and I draw a line, and then I do the same on the top. So I'll let you see that now. I don't make it super defined on this side, but as I get closer to the end of my eyebrow, I start making it more defined. And the same on this side. So I'm drawing a straight line across from like here to here to kind of fill in this little sparse area. And then you can see how it curves, so I'm going to follow that curve. Again, where it's sparse here, I'm kind of filling it in and getting a little bit heavier with my line towards the end here. You always have a better eyebrow, and this one is mine, so. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Or I say the other side, on the top. I need to fix my eyeshadow there. Okay. So start at the edge, go very light, and you're just following the shape of your brow. So what I do here is I make a straight line, and then from there I curve down. And this is going to vary based on the shape of your eyebrow. And it looks kind of crazy right now, but you'll see when I fluff it out, it will look better. I'm gonna do the same on this side. Just going a little bit, just right above the edge of my eyebrow. And then I fill in this area right here. I don't fill in here because then it'll be like bold eyebrow, and you want it to kind of like fade. That's the look that I go for. And so I fill in right here, and I don't fill in there. You definitely want this area from here to here to be filled in. So I went a little too high, so there we go. Perfect. Okay, now we're going back to our brush, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna brush those lines now toward each other. So don't press super hard because it's gonna take off everything you just did. So I just go like a little brush, and see how you can still see my line, but it's more of a natural look than here now. I'm gonna do the same. Some people don't even brush these top lines. You don't have to. And I just straighten out my eyebrow down here, and I don't even brush those defined lines I just did. Okay, I'm gonna brush it up. You can see the line's still there. I'm just softening it. And then brush down a little. And fill it in, straighten it out. Make sure you have all your hairs laying where you want them. There's a little bit there that I would like to have filled. So when I do this, I'm gonna go super light. Okay. And then the last thing I like to do, it's worn off now, but I get the clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills also. And then I just do this to keep my brows in place, because there's nothing more annoying than those little ferocious hairs that make their way out, like for your pictures, when you're talking to somebody, so annoying. Okay. They're never going to be perfect, guys. I still have to bring myself to accept that. But know that they are never going to be perfectly even. Keep that in mind. But that's that. That's all I do. Sometimes I've used Gimme Brow before by Benefit. And if you have blonde eyebrows, it really is nice. It kind of just like tints them and makes them like, it's a brown gel, so it just tints them and makes them more natural looking. My mom has those really light eyebrows and she loves this now. So that's a good trick for a natural looking brow also. And it just thickens them up for you too. So I'm trying to think if I have any more tips. I think that's it. I'm going to do a contour video next, so be on the lookout. That's why my makeup's not done yet, because I'm going to continue. But yeah, if you have any questions about your brows, let me know and I will get back with you. Thank you for watching. I am Tyler Cassidy and this is One Made Up Mama. If you like this video, please subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook also.